Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an ebook on Canva for free in just 5 simple steps. So whether you are creating a guide or a product catalog, Canva makes it easy for you to create a professional looking ebook without any design experience, okay? So let's get started. Now, to choose a template, go to any browser of your choice and create a free account on Canva. So you'll be brought to Canva homepage. So now you will need to go and choose a template. So you do that by typing ebook on this search input. So as you can see, Canva offers a variety of free and paid templates to choose from. So if you find anyone that matches the style and tone of your content, you can go ahead and click on that one. Or you can go directly and click on create a blank ebook cover. So let's do that right away. So here on the next page, you can also see that there are also variety of templates you can choose from, okay? So now let's go ahead and choose any template from the free design. So for example, I choose this one. So you can see it here. So now that you have known how to choose a template, so the next thing we are going to do is how to customize this ebook and add your own content. So to do that, let's say you want to edit this text. You just go ahead and double click on it, then it will be highlighted. So once it's highlighted, you can add your own content, your own title. Let's say for the sake of this tutorial, I'm creating an ebook on how to create a blog with WordPress. So of which, if we read it in full, is going to be learn how to create a blog with WordPress. And click on this one. We don't need it. I'm going to delete it. So if you want to add a subtitle, so like this one, but first let's delete this one so that I show you how to add it from the panel, from the Canva panel, okay? So I'm going to delete this one now. Select it and delete it. So now I want to add a subtitle. So I will go ahead and click on text here by the left panel. Then click on add a subheading. Then as you can see it here, it is highlighted. So I am going to go ahead and add my subtitle, okay? So in this case, I will say step-by-step guide on how to create a blog with WordPress. So now that you have added your subtitle, so we are going to go ahead and edit all these text we have here. So let's say you want to edit the title first. So you have to first of all click on it to be selected. So if you look up here, the negative and the positive sign, which says decrease font size and the increase font size. So there you can be able to decrease, click it and decrease the font size, or click to increase the font size. So you can also type the font size directly if you already know the font size here, okay? So now, if you want to change the color of this text as it is still selected, so you can go ahead and click on this text color here. Then choose any color of your choice. So if you want to make the text bolder or make it lightweight, you can click on this bold here. Then it will bolder, or you make it lightweight. If you want to change the font of the text, you can click here on this box and change the font to any font of your choice. If you want to align it left or right or center, like as it is now, you click here. This is to align it center. You click it once again, is to align it right. You click it back again, you align it in the other formats. Then here, finally, you align it to the left. So now if you want to add list point, you can click here, add list point. Or maybe you want to add a line spacing. You click here and add a line spacing. Let's say, for example, I want to give it more spaces. So then we are done with this. So let's go down to the subtitle. So click on it to select it. So like we did before, you can go up here and change it to any font style of your choice. And you can also click on this negative point or the positive point to decrease or increase the size. So let's decrease the size a bit. Okay, now that you are done editing the subtitle, so let's go and add the name of the author. So you can come up here and click on this name here. So you can come up here and select this name. Then add your own name. but it's optional. If you like, you add it. If you like, you don't add it, okay? So next, let me show you how to add an image to your ebook. So like on this page now, you want to add an image to it. So you come here at the left panel, you can click on elements. So as you can see, there are a variety of elements here. You can choose both free and paid. You can choose to add to your design. So now for the sake of this tutorial, so I am going to search for a laptop or a desktop computer that will represent how to create a blog with WordPress that I'm talking about on my ebook. So I'm going to search for desktop computer. So for the sake of this tutorial, let me just make use of this one. So you just go ahead and click on it, anyone you find. So you can click on it and drag it to any position of your choice. Let me say I want to place it here. You can drag it from the edges to make it more bold. So maybe in your own case, the image you are using is covering the text and you want the text to be above the image. So if it's image, for example, you can select the image, then go here and click on position. Then send it backward, or depending, you send it forward, okay? So, but maybe there is an image you have on your computer that you want to upload to your design. So how to do that is to come here at the left panel, then click on uploads. Then click on upload files. Then choose any of the image you want to use and click on open. So you will see the image uploaded here. So to make use of it, just click on it or you drag it and drop it on the panel. So go ahead and click on it. You can drag it from the edges and minimize it. So let's say I want to place it here. So now if you want to change the color of this box, you see the yellow box there. Maybe the color, you don't like the color, you want to be able to change it to another color. So you can click on it, so it will be selected. So go up here on the color tool, click on it, then you can choose any color of your choice from here. Okay, now that you have finished customizing and adding your own content to your ebook here on Canva, so the next thing we are going to do is how to add a new page to your ebook. So to do that, you can see here under your first page, it says add page. So, and if you look down here, it says page 1 of 1, which means you only have page 1, which is this one. So to add a new page, just click on this button, add page. So you can see you have 2 pages now. As you can see, if you scroll up, the first one is the up one, and the second one is this white one. And if you look down also, it says page 2 of 2, which means you are on this one. So if you click on the first page now, so you will see you are on page 1 of 2. So you already have 2 pages. So this is how you can be able to add as many pages as you want to use in creating your ebook, okay? So now that you have known how to create a new page or how to add a new page to your ebook here on Canva, so the next thing we are going to do is how to duplicate a page. So for example, maybe you have so many pages you will need to create. So in this process, duplicating a page might be a better option to make your work go faster, okay? So how to do that and duplicate a page is on the page. Maybe this is the first page you want to duplicate because you want to use the same design in all the pages of your ebook, only the contents will be different. So on that page you want to duplicate, make sure you click on it to select the whole body. So for example, you are clicking on it now, you see all the elements are separate. So you want to lock all of them so that it will be easier for you to select them just once. So before you duplicate a page, it's because the page you want to duplicate already have a design and content on it. So you need to first of all group all those contents and designs together so that when you duplicate it, everything on the first page will be duplicated to the next page, okay? So that you can go ahead and edit it, customize it, and add content for that particular page. So to do that is to select the page and all the content in it. So if you look up here, you see the 3 dot icon, which is more icon. That means more tools. When you click on it, it will display more tools. Just click on it. Then you come down and click on group. So now it will group all the designs and contents of this page together. So now you can go ahead and duplicate the page. So to do that, if you look here at the top of the page you want to duplicate, you will see a duplicate page icon. You can either click on it or you come down under the page. You also see the same duplicate page icon. Just go ahead and click on it. So now if you scroll down a bit, you can see the duplicate of the page you have just duplicated, okay? So you can go ahead and unlock the page first, then edit and customize the content of the page. So let's say on this page, we don't need this title. So you just go ahead and click on it and click on delete. Then click on learn and delete it also. And also the subtitle and delete it. So I'm going to click on my picture again and delete it. I'll be left with this. So let's say I want to add a body content to this page. So to add a text body content to your ebook here on Canva, so navigate to the left panel here and click on text. Then you see the third one. It says add little bit of body text. You click on it. Then add your own content. Then drag it and position it under this computer icon, computer image. So you can go ahead and go up here and reduce the size. Let's say for example. So what I'm going to do next is to click on this red box and reduce it. So I'm going to edit my text and place it well under the computer image. So when you are done with customizing and adding the content of your ebook, now it is time to download your ebook, and we are going to download it on PDF file. So to do that, come up here and click on share. Then click on download. So up here at the file type, click here and choose PDF standard. So come down here at the select pages. Make sure all the pages you want to include in your ebook are selected here. So in our own case, we have 4 pages. So after that, click on download. So now as you can see, your ebook has been downloaded to your computer and it is downloaded with PDF file extension. So just click on it to launch it open. So that's it for today's video. And this is how to create an ebook for free on Canva in just 5 simple steps. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video content like this from this channel, okay? So thank you for watching and see you guys in the next videos.